Oh my lord, everyone. Hello there, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another scam app exposure video. Guys, this hurts me to my core, okay? Now you're going to say why. Why does this hurt you, Vince? Well, everyone, Lucky Winner. The Lucky Winner app promises real life money, real life PayPal rewards, the whole gambit that we're all used to with these scam apps, okay? There is no sound right now on this app. The only sound there is when literally you do like a prompt. There's no background music, which just, as soon as I see an app with no background music, right, it makes me want to punch a hole through the computer screen. It's like, dude, you're scamming us and you can't even put background music in your pathetic app. Anyway, guys, Lucky Winner is legitimately every single scam app on the market put together in one like compilation or montage of an app, okay? So this gives us access to all the scam apps such as 2048 Ball Merge, Lucky Plinko, Coin Dozer, Lucky Dice, Lucky Scratch, Lucky Knife, Lucky Eggs, and Lucky Slots. Oh my god, they've literally merged. They're that brazen. They are that brazen, the developers. They're merging all their pathetically programmed scam apps into one big app. Just to try and double dip in the scam fountain, everyone, okay? So apparently I'm up to $30 already. Oh, look at this. We're going to spin the wheel. We're going to spin the wheel, boys and girls, to try and win $500 in real life money. Okay, where is it? Where's the 500? Right there. I'm going to go for the $500 in real life money. Can we win $500? No. No, we cannot. We get an ad. We get an ad, though, so that's nice. At least we have an ad here, everyone. This is what I mean. These apps need to be removed off the Play Store, off any marketplace. Why can I not skip this ad? Oh, wow. They've actually made it so it's like a reward ad. So, no matter what, you have to wait 30 seconds when you do that spinning wheel. Lucky Winner app, I hope you get destroyed on the marketplace. I hope people continue to bomb your app down with 1-star reviews, because if you have a look, everyone, the app is literally 1-starred to the nines. Like, everyone is calling this app out. There are so many fake 5-star reviews on this app. It's pathetic. I have 210,000 coins right now, which is equal to 21 cents. Okay? So, you can keep doing the lucky wheel over and over again. I want to figure out, though, where's the cash out? How do you actually cash out in this? Home? No. Where's cash out, bro? Does it even let you cash out on this? What's this do? Congrats! iPhone 11 P-Star 2. Please sign in tomorrow for bonus. Okay. It's your lucky day to get an iPhone piece. Get. No, here we go. iPhone 11 piece. Amazon gift card. Okay, everyone. Oh my lord. I can't handle this. I can't handle this app. Bro. Just, bro. No. Ah, wow, lucky winner. I'm not lucky for playing this pathetic app, I can tell you that much. It makes me so mad, everyone. Alright, here we go. So 21 cents, $30 in real life money. How do I cash out the money? Don't know. I don't know how to cash out the money. I guess I can keep looking here. Invite friends, get $200? What? What? $200? $1 per person. Yeah, that's more like it. I was about to say, everyone. Yeah, I don't think so. So what's stopping people from just making fake accounts? Let's think about this very carefully. Get $200 fast by inviting your friends into the scam. Ugh, it makes me feel like dirty, dude. I need to go have a shower after seeing this or playing this app, everyone. Seriously. And then look, you got people actually trying to grind this app out to try and create real life money or make real life money here. They will never, ever, ever get their money, by the way. It's all a scam. It's all a scam, dude. Like, even if they do get paid out, 1 out of like 1,000 people would actually get paid out in this fake app, bro. I'm telling you that right now. It's a complete joke, okay? It makes me so freaking mad, dude. So mad. And the fact is that Google still allows these apps, like Lucky Winner, to survive on the Play Store. Someone tell me why. I mean, I know why, personally. Let's be real. It's for the advertisement revenue. Obviously, developers make heaps of cash here by making these trash apps. But it's just crazy to me. What they do is they post an app and they give it 5 stars. You know what I mean? Like, they buy 5 stars. Now, let's look. I want to try Lucky Knife out. Here we go. Let's make some real life cash here. Lucky Knife. Okay, this is Lucky Knife, everyone. Done. Where's the real life money? I can't wait to see this, by the way. I'm pretty sure people can easily hack an app like this, dude. Just an FYI. Okay, done. This is pretty easy so far. Okay. Come on, come back. Oh, miss. I said it's pretty easy. I lose instantly. You lose. Watch an ad to revive. No, thanks. I don't want to watch an ad. I'll just play again. Alright, here we go. So what am I actually getting out of doing this app, by the way? Like, is there anything actually happening right now? Legit? Let's see. Yeah, it's done. There's a bomb there as well, it looks like. Okay. Oh, nearly hit that bomb. Stage 2. Oh, got it straight away. Boss fight. This is the boss fight, apparently. That's great. Well, this is great. Oh, I get it, because I'm not watching the... Dude, because I'm not watching the ads, it's not going to give me the reward. That is so cheeky. That is so cheeky, app. Seriously, bro? Seriously? What is Lucky Eggs? Coming soon. Lucky Slots. Okay, here we go. Lucky Slots, everyone. I want to gamble 5,000 of my coins here. What are we going to get? Nothing. Okay, got nothing. Oh, okay. I earn 1 cent, and it makes me watch an ad. For illustration purposes only. Okay, dude. This guy's going to show me how to make real-life money for illustration purposes only. Yeah, I want to make 5 grand a day by playing a crossword puzzle game. This idiot in the hoodie, whoever that guy was, I seriously hope, man, someone finds him. And no, I'm not going to go there. I'm not going to say it because I'll get in trouble. But how bad of an actor can you be to get in on these scams, bro? I hope it was worth it, dude. I hope it was worth getting the little 2 cents you got for the ad, dude. Seriously. What is this anyway? What is it? Word Smash. Alright, let's try out Word Smash, everyone. Yeah, it's going to be legit. Yeah. Sure. Seriously, 1 cent. Okay, done. Let's spin again. Okay, got apples. Congrats, you earned 1,000 coins. Okay. I get $100 of real life money if I get the dollar signs, by the way. Just an FYI. 777. That's lucky 7. What do I get? I get an advertisement. I got lucky 7. I get an advertisement. That's my reward, everyone. Lucky 7. 3 7s in a row. You get an ad. Thank you very much, lucky winner. You're the best money-making app I could ever ask for, bro. Seriously. Such a joke. What did I win? 250,000 coins. How much is that worth? 10 cents? Let's see. I'm on 20 cents right now. I'm now up to 45 cents. I just can't handle it. Dude, I might as well just sit here all day on the slot machine. Guys, I'm literally just going to sit here all day grinding the slot machine. Oh, there's another ad, though. It's another ad. I'm so done with Lucky Winner. Guys, enjoy playing this trashy app. I hope it gets banned. Please take this as a warning. So many reviews are saying this is a scam. Do not try Lucky Winner out. It just takes you to other scam apps, okay? Stay safe out there. I'll catch you around, and I'll see you all next time. See you later.